Mario, sin tonterías, falta de ataque, pérdida 2 en 30 segundos. No eres ese tipo de jugador.
Están pillado. Están pillado. Offensive rebound and run back, quick, come on. But offensive rebound, and run back, okay?
Hay que correr, cuesta mucho defender los primeros segundos. ¿Vale? Venga, vamos, va, venga.
Tienes aquí, ole, aquí, esquinas, abiertos, 1 contra 1, preparado para la loop. Defensive transition after the shot.
If we have any chance, everything begins behind, right? Then, but whatever happens, it means that if we defend the man or zone or any kind of pressure, depending on our capacity to make 2 or 3 efforts in a row, if we do just one, is enough.
So pull your chest, fight the ball. Dale, where are you? Fight you there, don't give up. We fix everything over there. Everything over there.
Keep going all the way until the last second. Until the last second. It's not this situation. I don't play. Now I give up here. No.
Assist, do some assist. Some good defense, do some good defense. Easy basket, go for the easy basket. Produce for your team. Okay? Not necessarily when you are brilliant. Solid. Do things.